Want to move faster, last longer, and stay healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Apple Watch Series 11, featuring a brighter Retina display, faster S10 chip, and advanced health tracking with ECG, SpO2, and heart rate monitoring. With better battery life and a sleek design, it's Apple's smartest watch yet. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Apple Watch Series 11 itself, your chosen strap, the Apple Watch magnetic fast charger to USB-C cable, and some quick start paperwork. Technical specifications. Material, display sizes, processor, storage, sensors, health, durability, battery life, connectivity, controls, audio, operating system, design fit, safety features, colors, product features. Built with premium aluminum and titanium finishes, the Apple Watch Series 11 combines elegance with strength. It's water-resistant up to 50 meters and dust-proof with an IP6X rating, making it ready for both workouts and everyday wear. Stay on top of your well-being with advanced sensors for ECG, blood oxygen, heart rate, and temperature tracking. It also supports sleep, cycle, and mindfulness apps to help you maintain a balanced lifestyle. Track your workouts with precision, from running, cycling, and swimming to yoga and HIIT. Real-time stats, custom workout views, and multi-sport modes make every activity smarter and more efficient. Powered by the fast S10 chip, the Series 11 delivers smoother performance and all-day battery life. With fast charging, you can get up to 80% power in just 30 minutes, keeping you going without long waits. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. The front shows the full edge-to-edge display, with the digital crown and side button aligned on the right edge. A small microphone opening sits beside them, keeping the front clean while still giving easy control and voice input. The back has the circular sensor module that includes the electrical heart sensor, optical heart sensor, and blood oxygen sensor. You'll also find the band release buttons at the top and bottom for swapping straps, plus the small speaker and air vent openings placed along the back edge for pressure equalization and clearer sound. Now let's explore what your watch can do. The Apple Watch Series 11 buttons and sensors let you navigate, access apps, and monitor health easily. The crown scrolls and returns to the watch face. The side button handles apps and emergencies. And the back sensors track heart and blood oxygen, while speakers and vents ensure sound and strap changes. Wearing the watch. Get the perfect fit for all-day comfort. Attach the band before using your watch. You can detach the band from the watch and replace it with a new one. Align the band with the watch so that they line up, then push it in until it clicks. Gently pull on both sides of the band to make sure it is tightly connected and not detached from your watch. Remove the band while pressing the band release button. How to pair. Make sure your iPhone is updated, connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, and has Bluetooth on. Turn on your Apple Watch by holding the side button, then bring it close to your iPhone. When the pairing screen appears, tap Continue. Then choose Setup for myself or for a family member. Align your watch in the iPhone's camera frame or pair it manually. Follow the on-screen steps. Select Setup as New or Restore from Backup, and keep both devices close until syncing finishes. Once done, tap Start on your Apple Watch, and you're all set to go. How to charge? Place your Apple Watch on the included magnetic fast charger. It will automatically align and start charging. Connect the charger's USB-C cable to a power adapter or USB port. In about 30 minutes, you can reach up to 80% charge, giving you hours of use with minimal wait time. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open Settings on your Apple Watch. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Reset. Select Erase all content and settings. Confirm the reset. The watch will wipe and restart. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Press and hold the side button until the power screen appears. Press and hold the digital crown until Erase all content and settings shows. Tap Reset to confirm. The watch will erase all data and reboot to factory settings. Resetting your Apple Watch will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up through your paired iPhone before you proceed. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Apple Watch Series 11 comes in aluminum and premium titanium with a refined, durable design, while the Apple Watch SE 3 sticks to a lighter, budget-friendly aluminum build. Display and sizes. Series 11 offers larger 42mm and 46mm models, with an always-on Retina OLED display and improved scratch resistance, while the SE3 comes in smaller 40mm and 44mm sizes with an always-on display, but simpler glass protection. Battery and storage. Series 11 delivers up to 24 hours of use and runs on Apple's newest chip with 64GB of storage, while the SE3 offers around 18 hours with the same chip tier, but fewer high-end capabilities and 32GB storage. Pros and cons. The Series 11 shines with better battery life, tougher glass, and upgraded health features, making it a solid all-rounder. But its design hasn't really changed, and the upgrades feel minor if you're coming from a recent model. It's great, just not a massive leap for everyone. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.